Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a Wix account. One of the great things about Wix is that it's 100% free to sign up. You can create a fully functioning website without needing to pay a cent. After you've created your site, you can decide if you want to upgrade to make use of Wix premium features such as connecting a domain, removing Wix ads, and more. To sign up for a Wix account, go to wix.com sign up page. Then, register with your email address, Facebook account, or Google credentials. Now, click sign up and you're all set. Once you're signed up, you'll have access to a variety of templates and designs elements that you can use to create your site. You can choose from a wide range of templates, or you can start with a blank canvas and create your own custom design. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.